How to log in Temu account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Temu account. For that, launch open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Or you can open up any web browser and head over to temu.com as well. Once you open the application, tap on the sign in option. If this option is not visible here, tap on the U icon. Here as well, you will find the sign in/register option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you will get plenty of options over here. You have continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email, or continue with phone number option. So you can basically use any of these options to sign in or register. So let's say you want to use your phone number, tap on this option. Now you want to enter your phone number over here. Now tap on the continue option. After that, you will receive an OTP code which you can enter to be logged into your account. If you want to use your email, go ahead and tap on continue with email. Now you want to enter your email address over here. Once you have entered that, tap on the continue option. Next thing you want to do is enter your password. Then you will be successfully logged into your account. You can tap on the continue with Facebook option and enter your Facebook credentials to be logged into your account, or you can also tap on continue with Google. Now you want to enter the credentials of your Google account. Once that is done, as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.